Hello, I'm Melissa, and you have just popped into Life's a Journey with Melissa Diane. And today our journey is taking a quick tour around our new kitchen. I'm going to share with you some of our fall decorations, and I hope this will give you some great ideas when you're decorating your kitchen for fall. So sit back, relax, and enjoy, and I will see you at the end of the video. Well, I hope that you saw some ideas that you can use in your kitchen for your fall decorations. And Ace and Heidi, they want to say, be sure and click that subscribe button and ring the bell. That way you know when all of our new videos are coming out. And remember, guys, life is short, so live it and love it and have a great day. Bye-bye.